It's Nigel Blandford from the Mersey Forest. I'm going to show you the new heating system at the Phoenix Futures Residential Centre in Droxford, Hampshire, and you can see the main building behind. The new biomass boiler isn't actually inside the main building. It's in what was a sort of outbuilding, which was a tool store. So what we'll do, we'll go over here. You can see the flue, there's my finger there, but the little silver thing sticking above that apex of that roof, that's the flue coming out for the new boiler. So here we go down here. And this is it's opposite the laundry out the back of the house, and this was like I'm saying, it used to keep gardening equipment in here, and the oil tank, the old oil tank used to be in here as well. As we enter, see there, this is the new biomass boiler, the ETA PK90, exactly the same as it's the Wirral. And to the back there you can see the accumulator, the thermal stores, which store a lot of the hot water. Up the back here you can see the flue, which we've already seen that picture of it exiting the top of the building. The heat meters are behind this red expansion vessel with the sensors further down in there. Very good installation, considering this was a building that had a big oil tank in. Forest Heat Energy have taken the oil tank out, and the sort of the sub-bunded wall that was there, and put these accumulator tanks in. They've also had to install an more robust electrical supply, because there wasn't one in here before, and there's the usual maintenance tools that you've seen before. Like I'm saying, put loads of new electrics in here. We look up towards the ceiling, right up in the middle of the shop there is a carbon monoxide and a fire alarm sensor that they put in there as well. So just moving around here, this is the new fuel store. So this is basically what they've done, is they've put a concrete base down and constructed a large shed. It's not quite finished yet, it's still finishing off the construction of it. The boiler does work and has been fired up. They're just doing a bit more to the fuel store. You can see inside here, it's different to the one that's in the Wirral. The metal pipes you can see up there is the inlet and the exhaust pipe, and then on the outside here again you can see the couplings to the inlet and the exhaust pipe. They've also put in weatherproof switches there to allow active dust extraction, which is great. There's a central auger that comes down through the bottom of that fuel store, feeds in through this box here into the boiler room, and then goes up through the standard vacuum system that they've got over at the Wirral as well. If you want to have a look inside, fairly easy. There is a nice big window in there. You can see, nice big window. You can see the fuel from there. That's a very easy way of assessing the fuel. You'll need a torch, the same kind of LED torch as well, but that's a taller and better window than the one that's over at the Wirral. Right, because it's separate from the main thing, it's connected via an insulated heat main which runs underground along here. You can see remnants of a slight trench along there. That runs all the way down and runs into the existing boiler room, which is under the main building there. You can see the oil boiler flue there. There's two oil boilers down there, and there's a plate heat exchanger which transfers the heat from the biomass system into the heating system inside. As part of this contract as well, and because the oil tank was in where they put the biomass boilers, they've also taken the old oil tank out and replaced with another oil tank, which you can see there on a new concrete base. That's all part of the contract. And we'll come back here, and you just see from the back side, you can see the fuel store there and the red door open into the boiler house. So that's the long and short of it. It's looking good, very satisfied, very high standard of workmanship there. Like I was saying, they've fired it up and it works. They've got to finish off doing the fuel store. You'll need a load of pellets, and then there'll be a further testing there, but it's looking good. Not bad at all. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.